Hey, what's up, folks? Welcome to Kirk Trades. And here's a swing trade I did yesterday. So I'm just looking at the possible. So here's my current gain. I'm about around 1200. This is just a paper trade right here. That's on the chart. And here's my current gain. It's actually 1149.75. So with this chart, if this, I'm point blank, I'm a day trader, so I'll be looking for, if this bar does not continue downward, or if this bar here starts to give me some, what's interesting about charts, looking at charts while you're trading, is if this bar starts to turn green, then it's like a stoplight. So in this light, when this starts to turn green, as far as me shorting the stock, this is telling me, hey, I'm starting to go up. Now, however far that price decides to go up is just an unknown factor. That's just really unknown. So even though, let's say on the daily, stock closed here, she closed just a little bit down lower, still came up. So these are movements right here, down, up, down, up. Now we have a higher, the lowest as far as price itself. We have this lowest part here. Actually, even right here, we have as far as prices range, she didn't go down as far as she did right here, but then the next day she did. But then the next day after that, she came back up and came back up again. So that's why I prefer day trading versus holding on to a trade. It's just, market is just too volatile. What I'm waiting for so my main exit will be coming off of this hourly right here. Even though I had a lot of movements with the stock here, the hourly's pretty good at letting me know, hey, we're still in a downtrend. We're still in a predominantly, this right here is a short trend right here. And then exit. So if you were to enter here, you would exit it here based off of 50, or if you wanted to exit, if you just saw like a mini bull flag, which would be right there, you can exit off of that trade. So let's say you entered here, but then you saw this huge breakout and started to trend upwards. Oh, right there. So right there, there's your breakout. Can't really see it, but from here, here's your resistance. This bar broke out, is completely above resistance, and started to break out. So you could say that this is a mini bull flag. So that's a definite indicator for the stock moving up to however far the market wants to move up. Same thing with this one right here. Right here is where the market broke down, came back up. Oh, and she is coming back up. just maybe coming up. Let me see that 5. Got a, so she's on a trend. She's on some type of trend. There, okay. Here we go. Okay, so if I get a mini bull flag, I don't want to risk it. I've already made, I'm still at $1,000 gain. But I also don't want to get out too soon. Yeah, so that 5 minutes is pretty good. She's starting to break out above here. Then we have the 50. There's that 20. Yeah, so this might be it right here. Yeah, I think this is it. And it's just breaking above. That looks like a pretty strong move to the... Yeah, I'm gonna get out right here. We will cover. Cool. So we have a so it came out to around $900 some on that trade. And I decided to just get out based off of this right here. Hey, what's up, folks? So here's a stock that I had exited out of. I got out right here when she was currently a red. This right here, I had no idea that was going to happen. Now, how far this stock decides to go up is really up to the market. One thing's for sure, I don't want this bar to be something like this bar right here, especially from here to however far this decides to come back up. Yeah, so pretty much the saying goes, while you're in the green, taking the green. It really is a actual saying as far as a retail trader. But this is how far I can see into the future. So pretty much from here all the way to here. I decided to get out when she started to come above. She hit support, and then she started to break out about this area. So this is the area that I decided to get out, just based off of that double bar green above the 50, and then this 50-50 bar right here. Now, I could have been wrong, and then she continued downward. As far as I just went based off of the shape of the stock, or this bar right here, and then exited out. Alright, hopefully you guys learned something. Have a great day. Like, sub, comment, and share.